If seeds are considered to be the products of fertilization, thus, as per this logic, it must be impossible for them to be formed without the fertilization process. Can you imagine the formation of seeds without fertilization? Also, can you imagine the formation of more than one embryo from a single fertilized egg? If your answer to this question is yes, then let us find out how these are possible. Since no organism is immortal, it becomes important for them to produce young ones like them. It ensures the continuation of species. Most plants ensure the continuation of the species through the fertilization process, that is a fusion of male and female gametes. And for most plants, the final product of this process is the formation of an embryo in a seed. Some flowering plants have evolved a special mechanism called apomixis. It can be defined as the asexual formation of seeds from the maternal tissue of the ovule. And what is the peculiarity of these seeds? They show the features of cloning, a form of asexual reproduction. There are many ways for the development of apomictic seeds. In some species, the diploid egg cell is produced without reduction division and it develops into the embryo without the fertilization. Did you know that apomixis has a great value in agriculture? It is a useful characteristic for the enhancement of crop species since it moderates the formation of large genetically uniform populations. And also, they can prolong hybrid vigor through successive seed generation. And there does not need to always be just one embryo. In many plants, two embryos are developed from a single seed, that is a fertilized egg. And this phenomenon is called polyembryony. The 9-banded armadillo is the best example of polyembryony in the animal kingdom. The 9-banded armadillo gives birth to the identical quadruplets. In the case of plants, this phenomenon is caused either by the fertilization of one or more than one embryonic sacs or by the origination of embryos outside the embryonic sac. For instance, if you take out some seeds of the orange and squeeze them, you will be able to see many embryos of different sizes and shapes from each seed. Now, as we have learned about apomixis and polyembryony, are you ready to reach out for the new, more complex phenomenon that occurs in plants? Let's recap what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.